also talk about how developing skills around, synthesizing information can improve physical well-being. Tell us more about that.
Well, there's two major parts to that. One is simply that a feeling of overwhelm has very negative consequences, not just for our body. We're starting to induce a stress response, tension in the body, but also we start to release neurochemicals in our brain, which make it harder for us to be focused. And we tend to get more and more pulled away, keep on thinking there's other things we need to be doing and not able to focus on the one thing. So this feeling of overwhelm is intrinsically negative for our body, for our attention, for our state of mind, which can flow on to physical well-being. So we need to get to a place where, as much as possible, we are transcending that overwhelm. And one of, that is part of what the book deals with, is these ways in which we can start to let go of trying to keep up with too much information. But that comes significantly from this idea of purpose. These are the things that matter. This is the things that will serve, fulfill what it is I want to achieve, and understanding that everything else is superfluous, is not necessary. And I think there's many ways to bring the state of a mind of abundance, saying, I have all the information I could possibly want to achieve my objectives, as opposed to trying to keep up with something which is impossible to keep up with. And the other critical aspect is that information about well-being is fundamental for our ability to be well. And this is very difficult because there's nothing on which there is not contradictory information in health. So whatever it is, whether you have a particular ailment or your loved ones do, you're trying to understand the nature of that, or whether you're trying to keep your weight at an ideal level or to run an ultramarathon or whatever it might be, there's a lot of information available and it's not all consistent. So you need to use your skills to be able to say, all right, well, this is what I want to achieve. This is the information sources that will be the most useful to me. This is the way in which I will build a framework of that or synthesize this information into understanding for myself what it is I can do, how it is that I can best change my habits or behaviors to support that. So in a way, our relationship with information is absolutely fundamental to our ability to keep well and help our loved ones to continue to be healthy.